Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I'm here with my Wildfire lift, and I've been using it for quite a while now. And for the most part, haven't had too many problems with this particular problem that I'm having, but I do notice when I lift it up and down with no vehicle on it, when I'm bringing it down but want to kind of stop where I'm at right now, because I'm kind of checking over everything so I can kind of reach everything where it is. I noticed that sometimes it'll get caught mainly in that corner over there, which I will admit that is a little bit lower of a corner than all the rest. But it gets caught over there every now and then as I'm trying to bring it down, and it'll try and go to the next click down when this one's locked. So hopefully this makes sense. And if you have one of these, it should. But here's what I figured out as I was kind of messing with this, trying to figure that out, was I pulled this all the way open and brought this one as far open as I could right here. Now, this one here on this side was pretty close, but I could bring it this way quite a ways. You'll see I have some bolts in there kind of jammed in there to pull it out as far as it'll go, and I got those in. Now, this is where I say if you do anything I do and you hurt yourself, I am not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it, and you are responsible for your own safety. But I got these unlocked right now, so I'm not getting underneath it. I got these bolts jammed in there to pull these out as far as I can. And I've actually been able to bring this in a bit, as well as when I had that end over there undone, I went ahead and brought some more threads into this end to give it more threads here. So now those, where they are, should be pretty darn close to the same and all the way out when I pull down on this lever right here. Now we'll go to the other side. I'm over here on the other side, and as you can see, I can barely put my finger in here. And if I undo this, I can bring this in, which yet again will give me some more threads on this right here. And as you can see on this side as well, we have the same problem. You can't even see where this is coming out. It's barely out all the way, and those ones yet again are out all the way as far as I can get them. Now on this one I am going to have to move this because I keep these on, and actually I might be able to leave these ones together and just turn it on the other end. I'll have to loosen this up here and turn it in this way some, and I'll have to do the same thing with this here, bring these in and bring these in, which I'm happy about because I always thought it just seemed like I didn't have quite enough threads on these. I had enough according to rules basically, but I always wanted a little bit more, so I wish I would have done this a long time ago. Yet again, you're responsible for your own safety, but I'm going to go ahead, loosen this one up over here, pull this out with that bolt and jam it in there so it's all the way out. And I'm going to adjust this rod accordingly. Same on that side. One more thing that I just figured out while trying to adjust these. I got this one almost clear out to 2. The outside of it's at 2. The one on that corner also went out to 2 when I adjusted that. Now this one here, which is by the pump here, is about 1.5 to the inside, and the one on that corner, the opposite corner, is also about 1.5, and I couldn't pull that out anymore. So I'm loosening this one back up, see if I can get this one to go more. If I can get this one to go out and not that one, we're gonna have to take a closer look at that one over there. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that. I measured it. Everything seems to be okay. The 2, for some reason, are at about 1.5 inches, and the other ones are a little under 2. So, why that is, I don't know. I also have noticed that now that I've done this, I'm going to have to go around and kind of readjust my platform here, because now they're not clicking in at the same time. So this is going to turn into several adjustments by doing this, so definitely better off if you do this right off the bat. Plus, I'm sure these have stretched a little bit too, and who knows, I don't know if they can stretch or not, but regardless, try and get it as close as you can right off the bat, unlike me. So I'm going to go around and adjust this. I actually did a video on adjusting the platform so that that actually kicks in at the same time as it goes up and down. So I've already done that video, so I'm just going to leave it here with this one. Basically, it's kind of a warning slash do a better job than I did right off the bat. But loving the lift as far as that's concerned. Everything's all hunky-dory with it. I haven't had any more problems with any more of my pulleys going bad or anything like that. That all seems to be okay. I do check it admittedly more often because of that happening, but otherwise, and I actually have seen another video where somebody was having a problem with the pulleys, or the bearings in the pulleys is what it is. But so far I have not had any more problems as far as that. I had the one freak thing where it went, but otherwise I am extremely happy with this lift. I've had no issues as far as customer service or anything like that. They did not pay me. They helped me out with shipping, as I always say whenever on all my videos. They did help me out. They shipped it to me, but I had to pay for the whole thing with my own money. So they did not give it to me, and I am very happy with it. So all in all, hopefully this helps some of you out there. I'm sure other people probably are having a similar problem that I just figured out what the reason is behind it. So this is for you. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and I'm obviously master of none. You all have a good one.